Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best crispy fried lemon chicken wings. Actually lemon pepper chicken wings on YouTube in 2019. Okay, we got our chicken right here. I washed them up already. Okay, I have lemon. These chicken is about 16 pieces of these chicken. I have a whole lemon. I'm going to be squeezing some of that juice in there with my butter. I have a zest. I'm going to put some zest on it afterwards. I have a tablespoon. And I have a third cup. And I have a lemon squeezer. Alright, let's get right back into this. We have some honey right here. I'm going to incorporate in that sauce. I have some sea salt right here. I have some lemon pepper right here. I have some garlic right here, and I have some onion powder, granulated onion right here, and I have like 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour right there, and I have some baking soda right here. I mean not baking soda, but baking powder, and I have some cornstarch right here. We're going to incorporate in our bag. Okay, those are the seasoning bag. Alright, I'm not going to season my meat because I don't want my stuff to be salty. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. I'll be back. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with our seasoning. Alright, we're going to start with our flour. So we're going to take this baking soda. I keep saying baking soda. What's wrong with me with the baking soda? Baking powder. Take like a tablespoon of that. 2 of those. Put that in the bag. Then we're going to go ahead and go in with our starch. Take a third cup of that. That's a third cup of that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go with our salt. Get that spoon up here. I got, it's going to be a tablespoon, so I'm going to use a teaspoon. I can't find the spoon. What happened to it? Oh, I know what happened to it. Threw it in the sink, that's what happened to it. So I'm going to take two of these of the sea salt. Should equal up to a tablespoon. 1. You don't want this salty. We just going for flavor, okay? I got some lemon pepper that I didn't open. I got some already open. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab that one right here. So we're gonna take like 2 of those. One, 2, we go with 3. So that'd be a tablespoon and a half. Or you can say 3 teaspoons. Alright. So we got some onion powder or granulated. Go 1. Let me open this bag up. I don't know why I'm struggling. 2, 3 of those. Okay, and we'll go in with our granulated onion. 1, 2, and 3. All right. So it's 3 teaspoons of all of those. Alright, so that's that. And we'll go ahead and shake this up. I may go ahead and throw some pepper in there. I think I would. I think I will. pepper. We probably go with 2 of the peppers. 1, 2. Alright, one more thing I want to add to it. It's optional, you don't have to use this Epsom salt. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of that. Okay? That's it. No more seasoning. I know I do a whole bunch of different wings, so you guys stay with me. And we'll be making up for us a whole bunch of wings. I know how to. That's that on that. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in this bag. A few of them at a time. Make sure those get coated pretty good. Alright. I did let this chicken get to like room temperature. We're going to leave them in this flour for about 10 minutes so they can get coated real good. I'm going to go ahead and get my grease going. Now, you can use vegetable oil. I use peanut oil. That's just what I prefer to use. Vegetable oil cooks just fine. We're going to shake that up, and before we fry them up, we're going to shake them again. I just want this to get well coated, get some of that seasoning in there, because remember, we didn't season our meat. I don't want to season the meat because sometimes it makes it taste salty. You got to remember, the lemon, the honey is another seasoning too. Then your butter got seasoning. This butter right here, by the way, since we're talking about it, this is unsalted butter. Alright? So that's why you can use the salted one. I just go light on the salt. So alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. The chicken is still sitting in the flour. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the sauce. You want that to be on low. I'm going to turn that down some. Take about half a stick of this butter. You want to melt that real slow. You don't want it. You want it thick, okay? So you don't want to melt it too fast. You want that kind of thick. Alright. And we'll go in with our lemon juice. This lemon kind of big, so I had to fit it in there the best way I could. Okay? Or you can just squeeze it. You can squeeze it like this if you want to. Okay? If you want to. I'm only doing half of this because remember what we're going to do at the end. We're going to take them, take the other half and zest it. Okay. That's all we're doing. We just want to melt this down slow. Nice and slow. Alright. We're going to go in with our lemon pepper. Should be enough. Go in with my honey. Probably about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Take my whisk. See that? That's how thick we want it. So you can take it off the iron and just let it chill, hang out. You don't want it to get too loose or too greasy like. You want this thick. And we give that a taste. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Butter. That is awesome. And what's going to set it off when I zest that zest on it, the zest from the lemon will really set it off. See how thick that is? That's how you want it. Don't get it to like a grease like almost. So we're going to just let that sit and hang out. Total all, I probably put like a tablespoon. See how yellow that's getting now? See, I want that black pepper in there too, see? Alright, we're going to let that chill. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and wait till that get hot. It's not hot yet. Nope, not hot. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Alright, we're going to shake this bag up one more time. Like so. Shake it up nice and thoroughly. Make sure your belly, your jelly wiggling on your stomach. No, I'm messing with you. Anyway, take your chicken wings. Just drop them in there. Like so, I'm going to do a few of these. You get the idea. Shake them off. Put them in there. And we're going to let these mothers cook up. Nice and golden brown. Then I'll show you what I'll be doing after that. Okay? Stay with me. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. The chicken wings almost there. Well, I think they are there, but you know, I like mine just a little bit browner. But I'm gonna go ahead and take them out anyway. I drained some of this grease out of there. I'm telling you guys, you need to try this recipe. Recipe is off the chain. I don't have no chicken wings left over. I barely get some myself. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some more of these. I always shake them up every time before I put them in there. Check the excess off. You can keep that flour too. When you frying, you some pork chop, gizzards or whatever. I say no more than about 2 to 3 days. Keep it in the refrigerator. Alright, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I still won't go ahead and wait on those to fry up. But I'm going to go ahead and start with these. Here's my sauce. See how thick it's gotten? You want it on there like that, alright? You're going to pour half of this in here. Okay, this will be about enough. I'm going to toss that around in that sauce. Still crispy. Alright, you want to take our zest. So this I'm right here. Alright, put that to the side. Add a little bit more. Alright. Let's shake them up. At this point, if you want to put some more honey on it, you want them a little bit sweeter, you can. I think it's perfect like this for me. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Comment at the dog pound, bark back at me. Let me know what you think. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, plate these up, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. There you have it. Lemon chicken pepper wings right there. Made with real lemon juice, pepper, and some lemon seasoning pepper. It's the bomb. Oh, I'm finna wrap this up quick. The lemon pepper wing was off the chain. I can taste the sweetness of it, a little bitterness of it, and the seasoning is on point. So if you guys like this recipe, I encourage you guys to try it. Please try it. And you'll see why I'm the dog. Not to toot my own horn, toot toot. But I'm telling you for real, these lemon pepper wings off the chain. So, saying that to say this, thank you for tuning in. Veldog be making restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. I ain't clapping right now. I'm licking. Deuces.